In this video, we will show you how to install drivers and software and connect your laptop to a smart display. When connecting a computer to a smart display, you will need to download and install smart software to enable you to fully take advantage of your display with the connected laptop. On a browser on your computer, go to the Smart Support website. Click Downloads and Drivers, then select Smart Product Drivers in Inc. Select the operating system you will be connecting to the display, either Mac or PC, and download the drivers. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, connect the computer to the display. Depending on the computer's inputs, you may connect to the display using a USB-C cable from the computer to the display. Alternatively, you can also connect a computer to the display using a premium HDMI cable and USB A to B cable. Input locations vary depending on the display. For guest computers, we recommend using the inputs on the front of the display or convenience panel. For dedicated computers, we recommend using the inputs behind the display. On the display, tap or press the input button and select the computer that is connected to the display. The screen will switch to the input and you will now be able to interact with your computer from the display screen. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit support.smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.